Hello everyone, this is Julia and I have a swap I received today. It was, thought it said it was going to be here Thursday, but my husband went to the front and it was sitting there on the porch, so I'm so excited. And I have a card to open first, a cute little butterfly. And this is a swap over at Loaded Envelopes Galore and More. And, oh, it's on the paper clip. How cute. That was adorable. So I can use that. And it is the camera box. And this is from Janiva Fraser. And I got this cute little card. Very pretty. Love the colors. Hope this package finds you well. I had a lot of fun creating this 3D camera and the Polaroid shaker. I hope you will enjoy it and all the extra goodies sent along with it. Thank you for swapping with me. And then her YouTube channel here. And I'll link it below also. So, she has some pretty blue paper in here. Ooh, pretty. She has this pretty color combination with the black and white and the blue. And she sent all kinds of extra stuff. Ooh, fun. Fun. Okay, so that's everything. It's a cute little envelope here. It's so cute. Has something in it. Ooh, pretty. Aww. She made some flowers, I think. Those are pretty, Janiva. Janiva. Is it Janiva? I might be saying your name wrong. Those are pretty. Thank you. I love those. Gorgeous. So that's one thing. And then a little pen. Awesome. I think it's silver. Silver metallic pen. Thank you. Beautiful. Oh, fun. Look. Sequins. Love it. Beautiful. How cute. Love the blue colors. Gorgeous. Oh, and some pretty, I think these are a dye, I think. Little sequins in them. Yeah, it's that shimmer paper. And then the black dye over it, outlining it. Very pretty. Thank you. Gorgeous. Love it. Okay, let's do this cute little box here. Oh, it's little, kind of, what do you call that? Like border paper. It's really pretty. Thank you. I love that. I will definitely use that. She's got this cute little box and the leaves there. Really cute. Really pretty. And then there's her shaker. Aw, hers says love, and my little camera said love on it. She's got it outlined in silver. She has pretty blue and silver inside. Pretty silver and blue flowers. Gorgeous. I love it. That shimmer paper is really pretty. And she's got some silver specks on there too. Very sweet. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. And then let's go to this little cute bag. Look at that cute little bag. Oh my goodness, she had the cutest little packaging. And she made some bows. I'm a bow freak. I love bows. And these are all black and white. I love it. Gorgeous. Very pretty. Love that double bow like that. Love the black and white. Very pretty. Thank you. I definitely will use these. And a little container here. The nice little border piece and little pinwheel kind of flower. That's cute, really cute. Cute little box. And then she's got some beads and some blue trim and some pretty flowers, some pretty ribbons, baker twine, cute little flowers she's done. Love these. Look at that. That's with the rickrack. Very cute. And an applique. It's gorgeous. Thank you, sweetie. I will definitely use all those. I love it. And then the camera. This was a fun swap. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Got some blue little confettis in there. And then, oh, I like how she did the top of hers. I should have done that. I didn't know what to do, so I left mine plain. I was like, I don't know what else to do. And she's got the silver trim around here with the pretty blue shimmer. My dog wants to say hi. Okay. And then some blue gems. She's got those pretty silver flowers again. These are really pretty. Gorgeous. I love it. I love how you decorated it down the side there. I didn't know where to go with mine. I was like, what do I do? How do I do this? Really pretty. I love it. And then she's got silver up here too. Did a great job. Great job. I know, it smells good, huh? It just smells good. You like it? Alright, let's put it right here. You can smell it. She's been cooped up because of COVID. And then this is the little accordion fold. It's like a card, or you could add pictures to it. It's really pretty. Pretty paper. Love your rosettes too. Gorgeous. Selfie, and she's got some eyelash trim back there and everything too. Very sweet. Thank you so much, Janiva. Love it all. Can't wait to display everything. I have my little shelf where I display all my stuff. So I will definitely... She's eating that. Are you trying to eat that? Got it in your mouth, huh? Careful. I'll display it on my shelf with all my goodies. So thank you, and I love your color combination. Did a great job. Very pretty. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.